Aphrodite with me while I tell you some fun facts about Aphrodite and I do a look inspired by her. Let's get going. I'm going in with my Witch Hazel toner. And then I'm going in with my favorite moisturizer. Next, I'm going to go in with a setting spray. I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. For this goddess look, I do want to be very dewy. I feel like most goddesses are very ethereal looking. Aphrodite in particular, because she's the goddess of beauty. e.l.f. Camo Concealer. What's really loved about Greek mythology is that they do tend to go over women desires. Aphrodite's is love and passion and beauty. In Greek mythology, it's really cool because a lot of time each god or goddess will pick a champion. Most of the time their champions reflected what they believed. Okay, now I'm going in with a more blush palette. Something really cool about Aphrodite is that she actually married the ugliest god. I just think that's so interesting because it kind of plays into that idea that we are attracted to what we don't have. And he was actually banished from Olympus because of how ugly he was. So for my eyes, I kind of want to draw the attention upwards a little bit more. So as you can see, much more smoky, much more diffused. I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner and just kind of create a really subtle wing. Now I'm going to do some mascara and you'll see how nice this looks together. So I added some hoops and then some mascara. I go in with a lip stain. I'm going to leave this lip stain on for a sec. Then I'm going to wipe it off and I'm actually going to go in with some brown and make it a little more earthy. It's giving goddess, I like. I'm actually going to go in with Suvia's palette. I'm using this one. It is bold and pink and shimmery. Okay, so this is the final Aphrodite look. Let me know what you think in the comments below.